What's up guys? So today I will be making a really cute ribbon wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a heart-shaped wreath ring, or you could use a plain regular round wreath ring if you'd like, but the heart shape is just so adorable. I have plain burlap, which is 2 inches in width. I also have a really cute red polka dot burlap, 1.5 inches in width. Then I have red sheer ribbon, 2.5 inches in width. You can use whatever colors, patterns, or styles that you'd like. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is cut all of your ribbon into 12-inch long pieces. But you can definitely modify it if you want your ribbon shorter or longer. But I felt like 12 was a pretty decent size. So I'm going to cut 2 rolls of burlap, 1 roll of the polka dot, and 1 roll of the red into 12-inch long pieces, because I don't know exactly how many I'm going to use. I'm going to just get started. So I have all of my pieces cut, and now it's time to start placing them on the ring. I'm going to probably use a ton of burlap. Alright, so what we're going to do is you take your strip, and I'm going to place this one on the outer 2 rings, just like that. And just tie it in a knot. Nice and simple. Tie it in a knot, just like that. And I'm going to take a polka dot piece. And this time I'm going to go on the inner 2 rings. And again, just tie it in a knot. But I want to make sure the polka dots show. Okay, and then I will take another. So my plan is to get all of the burlap, the plain burlap and the polka dot down first, and then place the red sporadically throughout. This is what it's looking like. Now you can alternate burlap, plain, burlap, plain. I think I'm going to do like burlap, plain, burlap, burlap, plain, burlap, plain, burlap, burlap, plain, like that. And so far I've used 4 pieces. Looks like it may end up being 6 pieces. We'll see. And I'm alternating inner 2, outer 2, inner 2, outer 2. So that last one was on the outer 2, and this one is on the inner 2. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. It has a very cute, homey, rustic feel. And I'm going to keep going. Alright, so this is what we have so far. And this is what the back looks like. And I used 40 pieces of the combined plain and polka dot burlap. So this is 40 pieces right here. And then you just like modify it, make sure no pieces are squished. Keep them like standing up nice and tall. Alright, so now we can add in the really pretty sheer red. So I'm just going to add the red in random places all throughout the wreath, just to add a little pop of color. I'm going to try to add it in between like the plain burlap. I think that'll look really nice. And you're going to tie it the same way you've been tying the other burlap. Alright, so I just find 2 rings, tie it in a knot, and then adjust it. Just like that. Just going to work our way all the way around the ring doing this. So this definitely works best with wire edged ribbon, but you can do it with just like satin ribbon or gross grain if you'd like. You just won't be able to manipulate it as much. Using 8 pieces of the red ribbon, and I think that's more than enough. It looks very cute. I'm just fluffing everything up, making sure all of my polka dots are showing. And again, this is what the back is looking, and this is the front. Very cute. You can even put a little sign in the center if you'd like. But this was all made for less than $5. Everything was purchased at the dollar store. So cute and sweet.